So I'm going to introduce dictionary in Python, and we use dictionaries when we have key value pairs of data. For example, you want to have a dictionary that contains the details of a person, like we have the ID, message, language, and the country. And to store this in a dictionary, so let's have the variable details. So we'll use the curly brackets, and then we have the ID in quotes. So we have ID, and then after this we need to have a colon, and we give the ID. So let's have an ID 3847, and then after this we have a comma, and we add the other details, so that is the message, again colon, and then we write the message design. So with the design, so it is a string, we need to have quotes. So with the integer, no need of having the quotes. So design, we have the comma, then we got the other detail, language. So English, and again we add the country. Algeria. So we've stored the data in our dictionary details, and we can again add some more details. So we'll have the details, we have the square bracket. So for example, if you want to add age, so we have age within the brackets, within the square bracket, and we give the age, we use equal sign, so age is 28. And again we can, so this is how we can have the dictionary. So if we print, so we can print details. So let's do this. So print details. So you can see we have our details here: ID, message, language. So this is all about dictionaries, and we have the age 28 because we were able to add it. So we can again access data. So to access a specific data, for example, we want to access the age, so we'll have print the parentheses, and after having the word print, so we need to access the data from our dictionary details. So after this we have the square bracket, and then we have the details. So we want to access age like this. So you can see we have age is 28. So this is all about accessing data in a dictionary. So if at all we wanted to access country, so we have Algeria. So we want to access message. So dictionary helps us store data design. So this is how dictionary is interesting, and it is very useful mostly when working with a complex project. So we can as well use the access so we can access data also using the get method. So we can check what we can do with the dictionary by using the directory details. So you can see we have view times, view keys, view values, items, iter keys, from keys. So this is we can do all this using dictionary set item. So we can access keys, and to access keys we use a for loop. So for key in, so let's use a for loop for key in details. So for key in details dot keys, so we have our condition. So value equals details, and what do we want to access? We want to access key, and then we print. So print, so we need to print key, and then we print value, the key value. So you can see we have age equals 28. So this is all about accessing key, and again you can use other methods such as pop and pop item methods that will allow you to remove an item from a dictionary, and you can as well use clear to remove all data. So let's look at that before we wind up. So details, so language, so this is all about dictionaries, and you can do a lot. So be sure to check all this method ASCII, like pop item, to learn more about dictionaries. Thank you.